something that is causing problems among our kababayans, and that is the use of cell phones, phone cards, and also dealing with telemarketers. Even I have fallen victim. You know, so many telemarketers call. Ivy Dulay is joining us from TEAM because they have a project to help educate us, the public, about this. Hello and welcome to Kababayan Today.
Good morning. Thank you.
Tell us what TEAM is about and what is the program about?
TEAM is telecommunications, education, and assistance in multiple languages. It's funded by the California Public Utilities Commission. We basically give service in language. So, marunong din po ako mag-Filipino, mag-Tagalog. And our other colleagues speak Ilocano, also Cebuano as well. We cover 4 different languages for our helpline, and that's Spanish, Filipino, Tagalog, Vietnamese, and Chinese.
When you say helpline, ano ba ang mga nagiging problema ng mga dumudulog sa inyo?
Problema po sa halimbawa sa mga phone cards, minsan bumibili po sila ng phone cards tapos wala namang laman sa phone card.
Oh wow. That's just scam.
Yes.
Oo.
Exactly.
And then ano pa?
Also, we have some customers who say that the phone company promised them a certain plan, a certain rate, and then when they review their next bill, they never offered it.
You know, I always, we've encountered that before, and that's why they say that when you get your phone bill, especially cell phone bills, you always have to check it.
Yes.
Sometimes may mga hidden charges, sometimes may mga additional charges, and it is your right to question that, right?
Correct.
Anong ginagawa ng programa nyo? You can help us question these people?
Opo. Kasi alam po namin na medyo intimidating po makipag-usap sa customer service representatives. Lalo kung hindi sila comfortable sa English, what we do is we'll call in whichever language they're most comfortable in. We'll talk to the customer service representative. We ask them why they charge them that amount, just to explain. Most of the time, we're able to get a credit back for the customer to help get what they should not have paid in the first place.
Yeah, let us talk about that. You know, does it cost anything to avail your service?
Libre po ang programa namin. It's completely free from beginning to end. They can call and ask us any questions. And also, when we call the companies, we could stay on the phone 2 hours with them. It's all free thanks to the funding of the California Public Utilities Commission.
Can you explain to us the process? So that's a toll-free number on the screen. Do we just call you, tas kayo nang bahala, explain namin sa inyo kung anong problema?
Opo. Mag-iwan na lang sila ng mensahe doon sa helpline namin. Toll-free naman po yun. We will call you back within 48 hours. We'll just take in your case. We'll see what the complaint is, and we'll link you with a non-profit organization that serves the Filipino community. Halimbawa, SIPA, Search to Involve Filipino Americans, Campaign for Social Justice, Filipinos, People's Corps, and also Asian Community Center and Catholic Charities of San Diego.
So marami kayong mga kapartner na non-profit organizations that can help us.
Yes.
How have you helped the community in the past? I know you mentioned earlier, nakakuha kayo ng refund or credit back. Pag, let's say, for example, phone card na wala palang laman. Have you had instances like that before?
Yes, we've had several calls to our helpline already about phone cards. So we'll call the phone card company and we ask what happened with the service. Usually they will be able to track it and they'll return a credit back. We encourage also our kababayans to ask where they buy their phone cards if they can get a refund if the phone card doesn't work.
Right.
But if in case they cannot, they can always call us. It's important because instead of throwing away your phone card, syempre, gusto din namin malaman kung ano naman ang mga phone card companies na baka
should be banned.
Yeah,
if they're taking advantage of the public, right?
Exactly, and there's good phone cards too, of course.
Yeah, what about telemarketers? Yung minsan nakakaabala, it's a nuisance, diba? They call, somebody gives them your number and then they call you. Lalo na, I get this a lot, yung mga nagbebenta na mga service kung mga tumatawag pa tayo sa Pilipinas. Yeah, what can you do about that?
Oh, that's a very good point. For telemarketers, we encourage our kababayans to register on the National Do Not Call list. You can register on their website on www.donotcall.gov, and your number is registered. And unfortunately, not all not all calls are screened like elections, because if you register with a political party, they still will call. But for the most part, it is lessened. And when they do call, we encourage them to, instead of saying you're busy, I'm not interested, to say remove me from your list. They need that verbal permission to stop calling you.
Right. Okay. Kung marami pa po kayong katanungan, we just flash a number. That's the number to call on the screen. Any last words, Ivy? Ano ba yung mga dapat nating bantayan sa mga phone bills, sa mga phone cards, sa mga calls from the telemarketers? What other tips can you share with us today?
One of the big tips that if kung nagre-rent po kayo ng apartment dito sa California, it's actually included in our law that the landlord is supposed to cover the wiring maintenance, a type of for your working landline. So some representatives are trying to convince, or unfortunately maybe even intimidate the customer into paying this about $10 fee per month to keep a wiring maintenance. But in California, if you're renting, you're not required to pay that. It's up to you, but we remind people. And if there are any charges that are on the bill that they do not recognize, kung wala pong yung pahintulot po ninyo, please give us a call, because we want to make sure that you're not paying too much on your bills, and of course not getting taken advantage of.
First of all, this is a free service. Number two, it is your right to fight for your rights.
Correct.
And number three, alam naman natin you won't be able to fight for your rights unless you know those rights. And so
Exactly.
either way, kung ano man pong pangangailangan, team will be there to help you. That's the number to call on the screen. Is it a 24/7 helpline?
24/7, in that you can leave a message at any time, and we will answer the calls when we're in the office. But you can leave a message 24/7, and we'll return your call in 48 hours.
Gaano kabilis mag-respond kayo?
Usually actually within 24 hours, the same day. We can, especially if it's very urgent, they're about to lose phone service. Syempre, gusto namin silang tulungan.
Thank you so much for all your help to the community. And for right now, this is available in Southern California. That's the number to call on the screen. More power to you.
Thank you.
And more features and more stories when we return on Kababayan Today. Don't go away.